Hey guys, welcome back to iCloudGo. Did you restore your iPhone, but it's still locked? Maybe you're seeing iPhone locked to owner, activation lock, or a screen asking for the Apple account that was previously connected to the device. If that's what you're dealing with, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain why your iPhone is still locked after a restore and show you 3 ways you can try to fix it. Let's get started. First, there's something important you need to know. Restoring or factory resetting your iPhone does not necessarily remove activation lock. If Find My was enabled before the restore, activation lock can remain active even after the iPhone has been erased. That's why you can finish a restore and still see the iPhone lock to owner screen. So if your iPhone is still locked after restoring it, resetting it again usually won't solve the problem. You need to deal with the activation lock linked to the device. The easiest solution is to use the Apple account that was previously linked to your iPhone. On the activation lock screen, enter the Apple account and password associated with the device. Depending on your situation, Apple may also allow you to use the device passcode that was previously used on the iPhone. Once your information is verified, you can remove the activation lock and continue setting up the device. If you've forgotten your Apple account password, recover your account first, then return to the activation lock screen and sign in again. If you still can't activate the iPhone directly, you can also try removing it from your Apple account online. Go to iCloud.com/find and sign in with the Apple account linked to your iPhone. Select your iPhone from the device list. If necessary, erase the device first, then choose Remove this device. Once the device is removed from the account, restart the setup process on your iPhone. Keep in mind that you need access to the Apple account that currently owns the device for this method to work. If you don't have access to the Apple account and the official methods aren't working for your situation, you can also try 4UKey. 4UKey is a third-party iPhone unlocking tool designed to help with different iPhone lock situations. First, install 4UKey on your computer and connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Launch the program and choose the activation lock option. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your iPhone and start the process. 4UKey will then guide you through the supported steps for your device and iOS version. Keep in mind that activation lock features and supported devices can vary depending on the iPhone model and iOS version. So check the compatibility information before starting. So, if your iPhone is still locked after restore, don't keep restoring it over and over again. A restore can erase your personal data, but it doesn't automatically remove activation lock. If this video helped you, let me know which iPhone model you're using in the comments. And if there's another iPhone lock issue you want me to cover, drop it below. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.